Hi, my name is Heather from Knitpal, and I am here to let you know about an exciting opportunity that is coming up. We are going to be doing a Tunisian crochet-along, and right now in our Facebook group, which I'll link below, the Knitpal Tunisian Crochet for Beginners Facebook group is in the process of picking a design for which sweater we're going to make. We're going to do a crochet-along for a sweater. And if you want to get in on the voting, you can join our Facebook group and you can vote for your favorite. We will be doing weekly updates of how the crochet along is going here on the Knitpal YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe if you're not, and you can keep up to date with that. You can do it along with us. We would love that. So I'll put a picture of the 3 choices for sweaters up here. And I'm going to let you know what I will be using for the yarn. I am going to be using Knitpal Ombre Encore. This will make an absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous sweater. And I'm really excited to be able to make a sweater with this. This will be the first time I've made a sweater using this yarn. And so that would be the yarn that I would recommend. But I think any of the Wool Wonders, Cotton to the Core worsted, those would all also make really good choices for the sweater. So starting tomorrow, July 8th through 11th, Knitpal is going to be having Prime sales on Amazon. So this would be a great time for you to shop for your yarn. They're having 20% off store-wide. They're going to have an additional 21% off of Cotton to the Core tomorrow only, July 8th, and then an additional 20% off of Wool Wonders on the July 9th only. So if you want either of those, the best days are the 8th and the 9th. The 8th for Cotton to the Core, the 9th for Wool Wonders, and then Tweed Twinkle will be having an additional 15% off the entire prime time from the 8th through 11th. So if you're wanting to join our crochet along, that's great. If you want to get your yarn, now is a great time to do that. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment, and I hope to see you guys soon for the crochet along. Bye.